Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show how to bypass or reset Windows 11 if you have forgotten your password, and this will also work for Windows 10 and 8. To bypass Windows 11 password, first you have to open command prompt. Now you can see accessibility bar is working. First step is to restart your PC by holding Shift button and pressing restart. Here select troubleshooting option. And then go to advanced option. Then select option of command prompt. Now we will search the drive where our Windows is installed. Write C: and press enter. Now write dir to view the directories available in our drive. Write cd Windows and press enter. Write cd system32 and press enter. Here we will rename utilman.exe file as utilman1.exe. And also rename cmd.exe as utilman.exe. So first of all write ren utilman.exe as utilman1.exe. And then ren command exe utilman.exe. Now close command prompt and continue to Windows. We will open accessibility button over here. Command prompt Windows will appear. If this will not appear in your case, then you have to restart your PC. Now write control user passwords 2 and press enter. Here user account Windows will appear. Click on reset password button. And here you can leave it empty and press OK, or you can also enter a password. Close user account and command prompt. Now just hit enter or the arrow, so you see your password is bypassed now. In case if you have a PIN, you just have to click on sign in option and select the password or key sign. You can see we have also bypassed our PIN as well. Okay guys, in case if you have a Microsoft account, two options are there. First one is to go to Microsoft account and recover it from there. And second case, when user account Windows appears. In Microsoft account case, option of reset password would be disabled or grayed out, so you will create another account in order to access your data. First go to Advanced tab. Here select Advanced button. Go to User. Here go to Action and click on New User. Write the new name for user and click on Create button. Now open the new account that we have created. Go to Member of tab. Here we will select the users and press Remove button. Now we will click on Add button to create an administrator account. Go to Advanced option and click on Find Now button. In search result select the administrators and press OK. And then again OK. Close user account windows and command prompt. Restart your PC. Log in from your new account. Go to C drive and open users. Here you can see every user and you can select any user account one and access your data. Okay guys, after resetting password now we will revert the changes so that our command prompt can work. Press and hold Shift and restart Windows. Choose troubleshooting option. Go to advanced option. And then open command prompt option. Here go to the drive where Windows is installed, in my case it's C drive. Write C:, press enter. CD Windows press enter. Then write CD System32 press enter. Now we will rename utilman.exe as cmd.exe, and utilman1.exe as utilman.exe. Type ren utilman.exe cmd.exe and press enter. Then type ren utilman1.exe utilman.exe. Now you can see our accessibility button is working correctly. Okay guys, in case in advance option your command prompt is not working, for that you will need bootable drive. From there you will open the command prompt and follow same instruction. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you liked it, please subscribe and like button for more videos like that.